Well, I must have been in some weird, right in a time zone, because when I woke up and it's filming this morning was 7. Now my phone says it's 6:46, so I somehow gained an hour, which is alright. Came out that 12-kilometer dirt road there. It wasn't as bad as it seemed last night, but I GoPro'd some of it and my SD card ran out. Oh man, I'm starving, so hopefully I could have got gas there, but I didn't. So hopefully I got enough to make her. Should be okay. I still got extra 4 liters in the back. I'm heading farming to the next town, man. It's hot out already. So hopefully it's a great day. We get lots of great miles on. Well, I guess if it's not one thing, it's another. I was doing good today. I was on track for 3 miles. Thought I was going to get home in a decent time tomorrow. Leaving Manitoba and the bike just started running like shit. Backfiring and popping. It did it a few times before, but I'd always shut it off, start it back up, and it would work again. And this time, man, fuck. Tried it a bunch of times and it worked once to slow it down and went to speed up again and it started fucking doing it again. I was thinking before it could be the fuel pump relay acting up. So now, I unload a bunch of shit and try to wire that fucking pump up direct. Well, Jesus, there's always something fighting me. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Okay, so I was going to wire the fuel pump direct and bypass the solenoid. Then I seen the wiring for the fuel pump looked kind of shoddy, so I redid that and I got her all buttoned back up. So hopefully this is going to work. I'll turn on the camera here to give her a test run, because I'm either going to be really happy or really pissed off. Son of a bitch. Okay. I'll let some traffic go by here and then I'll give her a shot. And if it runs good, I ain't stopping until I run out of gas. Oh man, it's a hot day here in Manitoba. So just leaving Winnipeg. It should make for a nice evening ride though, once I get this bike figured out, one way or another. Okay. It's idling nice and low, that's good. Sometimes I notice it was idling high, so it sounds good. So yeah, I redid a bit of wiring, thinking that would help. And took off fantastically for about fucking 5 minutes, and then it fucked right over again. So, oh gosh. Okay, time to get fucking evasive here. Okay, I hooked the fuel pump up to rec. It doesn't even kick out now. Right now it's running. So I'm just gonna start hauling ass. I hope this works. Whoa. Do you know if there's a Canadian Tire or hardware store or something around here?
There's a name there.
There is?
Yep.
It's up the road there?
Sorry?
Oh, where is it?
So keep going straight down the main
Right.
avenue. You see a co-op and all that, you just keep going. And then you'll see, you'll hit a set of lights and then you'll see candidates. And then Canadian Tire, straight beside candidates. Push back, you should see the big sign.
Yeah, right on. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, I just did 35 kilometers of this loose gravel road. Once I got going, man, I got her up to like 120 kilometers an hour. I was cruising 90, 100. It's pretty crazy. It kind of reminded me of being on the beach as a kid with my dirt bike, you know. The faster you went, the better it got. I bet you all those country folk on that dirt road run, what the hell was going on? A motorcycle flying by 120 kilometers an hour. Because I was supposed to be on this highway, 16, but I kept on highway 1. And then when I realized I missed the cutoff, I rerouted my GPS and told me to take this 350 south, which was dirt, but whatever, I made it, so that's cool. And here's the newest update to my bike. What I have here is my fancy dancy new fuel pump switch. because I hooked it up direct, and the pump just kept running. I thought it would have an automatic cutout, but it doesn't. It just runs. So, yes, and I went to Canadian Tire to try and buy a switch, and it's Sunday, so it was closed, and I'll probably have like a 1,000,000-hour-long GoPro video, because when I started screwing with this, I turned on my GoPro for a test run, and then got so excited the bike was running good that I kept her on until she completely ran out of batteries. So I think it's got me going to Canadian Tire, screwing up my bike, probably just the GoPro aiming at nothing while I was getting gas. So that's cool. It's gonna be nice and fun to edit, and I don't know how to edit, so that's gonna be cool too. But besides that, man, the old bike's just woohoo. It's a beautiful night. Thought I was going to get some heavy miles today, but then I decided to have bike troubles and take wrong turns and everything else, and we're right back to good old weak-ass miles. But that is okay, because we're doing good. The bike's running good, and we're still making progress. So, I don't know what my plan is. I'm just going to keep heading. And hopefully find someplace nice to camp, I guess. Maybe get a little snack after. I think I ate supper too early. I'm fucking hungry again. Alright.